I swear, last night I saw the Repleh County Troller.
Howdy. Glad to see y'all. Nothing new today. Nothing special. Just need a couple of y'all to keep an extra eye on the gas station just downtown. The owner's an old buddy of mine who says it's been getting a bit rowdy with him and the old man Baker after the cow dispute. Remember, it's a small little county, but it's our home. Got a new batch of donuts in the break room for anybody who wants one. All right, and yeah, let's get out there and do what we do.
10-4, Sheriff. Man, I should have headed to the gas station beside us. They have better donuts there anyways.
Howdy, I'm Deputy James with the Repleh Country Sheriff's Office. Know why I stopped you today?
No, Deputy, I sure don't.
You were going about 20 past the posted speed limit. Any reason as to why?
Well, just trying to get home before it gets too dark out here, and, I won't be able to see a thing.
Well, yeah, that's understandable. It just gets dark out on these roads at night.
Oh, you ain't got to tell me, Deputy. I think I once saw something lurking about in those trees.
What did you see?
Well, I ain't too sure. It looked like a person in a deer suit. Say, could have been Jenkins.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of him. He's been the talk of the town lately.
Yeah, heard he went off his rocker.
Yep, well, license and registration and proof of insurance, please.
Of course, Deputy.
This is Country to 5-4. Run a Carter Evans for me.
Country to 5-4. Carter Evans is all clear. No APP at this time.
10-4, appreciate that dispatch. All right, you seem clear, but I need you to slow down. You got me.
Well, yes, I really appreciate it, Deputy. You're free to stop by my diner downtown anytime.
Well, I appreciate that. I'll be sure to see you around. Howdy, I'm Deputy James with the Repleh Country Sheriff's Office. Know why I stopped you today?
No.
One of your headlights is out. Did know that?
No.
What's with the attitude? You got something you need to say.
Finish this already.
All right then. Let me see your license and registration.
Here.
This is Country to 5-4. Runner Wyatt Jenkins for me.
County 254, I have one fire for Wyatt Jenkins, disturbing the peace. Proceed with caution.
Country to 5-4. Roger that. Alright, sir. I need you to get this fixed before you drive this vehicle again. Do you understand?
Yes.
Alrighty then. Well, you take care now.
County to all available units. We have a call of a welfare check needed at the Jenkins residence.
This is Country to 5-4. Show me en route. This is Country to 5-4. Show me on scene.
County 254, attaching you on scene.
Repleh Country Sheriff's Office. If you're in there, come to the door. This is Country to 5-4. Getting no response. Prep Medical. I'm forcing entry.
emergency alert issued by the Department of Homeland Security. We have confirmed that repleh County does not exist, and there has never been a county by such a name. Any mention of such a county is a lie and should be reported immediately to the proper authorities. The Central Task Force has been deployed to enforce this mandate, so we ask that all residents step outside of their homes and surrender peacefully. Rest assured you will not be harmed. Thank you, citizens, for your unwavering cooperation.
This is County to 5-4. What was that alert about? County to 5-4. I say again. What the hell was that alert about? Dispatch do. You. Copy. What the hell is going on? County to 5 for shots fired. Shots fired. What the hell?
The only who makes no mistakes is the man who never does anything. Quote by Theodore Roosevelt.